Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Night-driveable tinting cycling glasses for man, woman and so on. Photochromic night vision glasses for day and night use. That's sports sunglasses with UV 400 protection. This is sports glasses for spectacle wearers, night driving, racing, biking, fishing and running. We have here the Photochrome Technology. These cycling goggles are equipped with a light adaptive lenses that automatically adapt to changing the light conditions, whether in bright sunshine, cloudy skies, or at the dusk. The lenses adjust their tint to always ensure an optimal protection and a clear vision. This is ideal for long tours, where the weather can change quickly. The special yellow lenses are ideal for low light conditions such as dusk or night. They increase the contrast and improve visibility in low light, so that the obstacles and the road surfaces can be better detected. Perfect for night rides or activities in dark environments. The sports bicycle glasses combine lightweight that shatterproof PC lenses with a flexible TR90 frame. These materials ensures a comfortable wearing comfort, even during the long applications, while at the same time offers a high resistance to shocks and drops. That's perfect for demanding outdoor activities. And we have your premium accessory set for a maximum flexibility in it. The complete package comes with a removable diopter inserter for wearer of presbyterian glasses, removable glasses holder bungee. This prevents loss in case of a shock, an ultra-soft premium microfiber case, and an anti-static clean cloth for scratch-free vision, as well as a bicycle handlebar bag for tools or for a smartphone. These bicycle glasses are not only suitable for a cyclist, but also an ideal companion for runners, hikers, and motorists. With their wide range of applications and an optimal protection against UV rays, wind and dirt, they are the perfect accessory for all those who like to move outside. So, cycling night vision glasses. HD night vision lenses, Photochrome Technology, ergonomic design and lightweight. That means we have in the lens, the first layer is the UV 400 acceptance layer. Then we have, of course, the abrasion resistance reinforced film and the hardened anti-explosion layer. After this, the reinforced foil, anti-scratch surface reinforced film against the oil protection and the UV protection layer on top. So we have a big possibility with a good condition. Night driving lessons are better with DSI wears. We have here one-piece lenses, protection against wind and dust for our eyes. And a matching design, ergonomic nose pieces with supplied interior frame. It can be configured with a lens with an appropriate precision. So we have all what we need to go outside and to have a good job with Night-driveable. Founded in 2011, Night-driveable specialized in sports equipment. Night-driveable is engaged in the design, development of the products and the sales of the products for cycling, skiing, swimming, yoga, fitness, diving and mountaineering. Sports is their eternal. Yeah. Simply cool, simply good looking, simply self-coating, because it comes with a self-tinting lenses. It calls phototropic lenses. This darken in sunlight and UV radiations and become clear again in the absence of UV light. They automatically adapt to changing the light conditions, which makes the change between normal glasses and sunglasses superfluous. The lens automatically adapts to changing the light conditions and it will change by itself. And self-tinting lens offers a high level of protection against harmful UV radiations. It eliminates the change between glasses and sunglasses, especially for people with presbyterians. And it looks cool, of course. If you come out and the sun is glowing and you do not have to change your glasses, there will be change automatically on your nose. And the same if you come back in where it is a little bit darker. No prob. After a couple of minutes, there are again really cool. That's the glasses of Le Cagé. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!